Buy your henna powder from a well-known and reputable henna artist. 100 grams henna powder. 40 grams sugar. 30 ml essential oil. 200 milliliters water. This is an approximation only. This measurement of water will vary based on your preferred consistency and the brand. Crop of henna powder, mix slowly, little by little, until you have reached your desired consistency, and keep track of the amount you used so that you can keep a note of it. Let's make cones. Open tip with 0.32 millimeters pin. Each cone weighs 15/20 g. Tightly packed and carefully closed. Fresh cones made with pure lavender oil. The cones are 100% natural, safe and chemical-free. Thank you.